Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you have administrator access and the correct WordPress version. Editors are admin only, so this matters. Once done, make a full backup of files and database or switch to a staging site to avoid downtime. Next, temporarily disable security or hardening plugins that commonly hide the theme file editor. This first step secures you and uncovers plugin-caused restrictions, so you can proceed safely rather than guessing at deeper issues. You now inspect core and config settings to find the block. First, look in Appearance for the Theme File Editor toggle introduced in recent WP versions. Make sure it's enabled. Then open wp-config. PHP and Mu plugins to search for Disallow File Edit or code snippets that remove the editor via Remove Menu Page or filters. These often come from security packages. Once identified, disable or remove that code, and then reactivate plugins one by one to confirm which one caused the hide. You finish by restoring the editor. Remove Disallow File Edit from wp-config. PHP or reverse the removing filter so the Appearance editor returns. Make sure to re-enable only trusted plugins afterward. If issues persist, run the Health Check plugin in troubleshooting mode on a staging site to isolate the problem without affecting users. Finally, switch to a default theme and verify your user capabilities. This confirms whether the issue was theme-specific or role-related and completes the recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.